Now we will discuss exercise 6.2. See here, in exercise 6.2, question number 1. Question number 1 heading is find the unknown exterior angle x from the following figures. So this is figure 1, figure 2, figure 3 and figure 4. From these all figures we have to identify unknown exterior angle x. So see here, in this figure, this is the unknown exterior angle x. And this 50 degree and 70 degree are interior opposite angles of the given triangle. And already we know that exterior angle property. What is exterior angle property? An exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. So see here, 50 degree plus 70 degree is equal to exterior angle x. So angle x is equal to 50 degree plus 70 degree, because an exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. So exterior angle x is equal to interior opposite angles are 50 degree and 70 degree. So their sum we have to do. So angle x is equal to 50 plus 70 is equal to 120 degree. So final answer, angle x is equal to 120 degree. See in second figure, this is the exterior angle and its interior opposite angles are 30 degree and 40 degree. According to exterior angle property, an exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. Means here we will do sum of 30 degree and 40 degree to identify exterior angle. So angle x is equal to 30 degree plus 40 degree, 30 plus 40 is equal to 70 degree. So final answer is 70 degree. Third figure. See here, exterior angle is given here and this 50 degree and 50 degree are interior opposite angle. And we know that exterior angle property, an exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. Means to identify value of x, we will add this 50 degree and 50 degree because both are interior opposite angle. So exterior angle x is equal to 50 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 100 degree. So final answer is angle x is equal to 100 degree. Now see third figure. This is an exterior angle and this 60 degree and 30 degree are interior opposite angle. We know the exterior angle property. An exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. Here interior opposite angles are 30 degree and 60 degree. So we will do sum of both 30 degree and 60 degree and we can identify exterior angle x. So angle x is equal to 30 degree plus 60 degree. 60 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. So our final answer, angle x exterior angle is equal to 90 degree. Now question number 2. Find unknown interior opposite angle x from the following figure. So this figure, this figure, this figure and this figure. From this all the figure, we have to identify unknown unknown interior opposite angle x. So see here, this is figure number 1. Here unknown interior opposite angle x is here. This is 50 degree, one interior opposite angle and this 115 is an exterior angle. We know the exterior angle property. An exterior angle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angle. Means we will do sum of interior opposite angle is equal to an exterior angle. So see here, 50 degree is the first interior opposite angle, angle x is the second interior opposite angle and their sum is equal to exterior angle 115. Means 50 degree plus angle x is equal to 115 degree. See here, 50 degree and angle x both are interior opposite angle. So their sum is equal to an exterior angle and it is 115. We have to identify value of x. So 50 degree side we have to change. this side 50 degree is plus, it become negative on other side of the equal. So angle X is equal to 115 degree minus 50 degree. So 115 minus 50 is equal to 65 degree. So final answer, unknown interior opposite angle is equal to 65 degree. Now next figure. See here, 70 degree is first interior opposite angle. Angle X, we have to identify that interior opposite angle, and this 100 degree is an exterior angle. And we know that according to exterior angle property, and sum of interior opposite angle is equal to an exterior angle. Means sum of 70 degree and angle X is equal to an exterior angle, and it is 100 degree. So according to exterior angle property, 70 degree plus angle X is equal to 100 degree. See here, sum of interior opposite angle is equal to an exterior angle. Here interior opposite angle are 70 degree and angle X. So 70 degree and angle X sum we have to do, and exterior angle is equal to 100. So is equal to 100. Here we have to identify value of X. So 70 degree side we have to change. So 70 degree will go this side, then it become negative. It become negative on other side of the equal. So angle X is equal to 100 degree minus 70 degree. So angle X is equal to 100 minus 70, then it is 30 degree. So final unknown interior opposite angle is equal to 30 degree. Now next question. See here, unknown interior opposite angle X is here. A given interior opposite angle 60 degree is here, and this 120 degree is an exterior angle. According to exterior angle property, we know that sum of interior opposite angle is equal to an exterior angle. So 60 degree plus angle X, because 60 degree and angle X both are interior opposite angle, so their sum means 60 degree plus angle X is equal to exterior angle, and its measurement is what? 120 degree. Here we have to identify value of X. So 60 degree side we have to change. This side it is positive, so on other side of the equal it become negative. So angle X is equal to 120 degree minus 60 degree. So angle X is equal to 60 degree, because 120 minus 60 is equal to 60 degree. So final answer, angle X is equal to 60 degree. Now next question. Here interior opposite angle X is here. This is interior opposite angle X. Given interior opposite angle 30 degree is here, and this is an exterior angle. 80 degree is an exterior angle. We know that exterior angle property, sum of interior opposite angle is equal to an exterior angle. Means sum of 30 degree and angle X. 30 degree plus angle X is equal to exterior angle 80 degree. Means we have to identify value of X. So 30 degree side we have to change. This side it is positive, it become negative on other side of the equal. So angle X is equal to 80 degree minus 30 degree. So angle X is equal to 80 minus 30, then it is 50 degree. So final answer is angle X is equal to 50 degree. So this is the normal explanation of exercise 6.2. I hope you can understand this. Thank you.